All right, well, welcome back, guys. And finally, I am up here to do some trout fishing. And from what I'm seeing, I pretty much got this lake to myself. It's cold. It's not as cold as they said it was going to get. It was supposed to get like 27 degrees out. I am worried, though, that the lake might be just a bit muddy because of the rain we've had. I do see one person here, but that is really about it. I got the fly rods with me. I also got my crappie pole with me, so I'm gonna probably go down here and see what I can come up with. All right, well, that was like really cold. A lot of wind, hard to fish in the wind with the fly rod. So I want to go down, turn around, go back up to the ramp and see what I can find there. I'll tell you what, though, whoo, is it cold. It is cold and it's windy, but that should be perfect because that's what these trout like. They like water moving, and generally I have a lot of luck with that, but right now not so much. So get moving here and we'll go down to the ramp and see what we can come up with. All right, finally. Yeah, all right, let's keep them. Took me a little bit to get them, but finally. All right, whoa, he's pulling a little pretty good. Don't look like a bad little trout. Most definitely nice looking rainbow. Look at that bad boy right there. All right. Wow, pretty happy with that. Hold on. There we go. All right. Definitely a nice looking rainbow right there. Yeah, he's an eater, man. I'm not going to keep him this time just because I'm not ready for that, but let's get him back in the water. There he goes. All right. Awesome. Finally. I had a feeling they were going to be here. Number one in the books. That's awesome. I was thinking that they might be up here. This is perfect. The wind is blowing to the east, and it kind of makes I don't know, almost makes it like it would be a stream right here. So as you can see right there, the water's kind of moving to my right. So, and it's kind of snowing a little bit, but yeah, let's get back at it. Yeah, I don't know if I got him hooked that well. Oh yeah, I got him. All right, slow down. All right, let's not lose him. Feels like a decent one again. All right. Yeah. Let's get him in here. Oh yeah. Let's not lose him. Oh, it's a bass. Oh. All right. I wasn't prepared for a bass. Man, he's got that down in there, but yeah, came right out. All right, little largy on the fly rod. He might be hanging out there with the trout. All right, I like that. I'll take it. Let's get him back. All right, little largy on a fly rod. That's awesome. Cool. All right, well, that is it. Man, I am done for today. I only had a couple hours to fish, so I feel like I did pretty good. I got one decent trout. I'm really happy with the size trout they put in here this last time. I wish I would have caught a few more of them, but then to be able to hook into a little largemouth on a 5-weight fly rod, that's a blast. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. So, but it was just super windy and it was tough using a fly rod in this wind, but I managed, didn't do too bad, seeing as it had been probably a couple months since I've actually had a fly rod out. So I'm pretty happy with what happened today. Not bad at all. So I want to get out here some more and do this. Maybe, hopefully it'll warm up just a little bit more. It was cold. Woo! I tell you what, it was cold. So anyway, as always, be safe out there and go catch a big one. Catch you next time.